Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Tap the search icon at the top of a chat or the chats list to start searching. The search field accepts keywords, emoji, phone numbers, and contact names for focused results. You can type partial words, and WhatsApp highlights matching segments inside messages for easy scanning. Use quotes to search exact phrases and emoji to filter results quickly. Results show message snippets with timestamps and sender names for context. Tap a result to jump directly to that message in the conversation. Use the from operator followed by a contact name to filter messages from one sender. Enter from John to show messages sent by John inside the active chat or global results. Tap the media, links, or docs tabs to isolate photos, videos, links, and files posted in a chat within seconds. On mobile, open a chat first, then use the top right search field to limit results to that conversation. These filters speed up finding attachments and quoted messages across any chat. Use exact phrase search with quotes to find precise message text quickly and reduce noise. If results seem incomplete, check chat backup settings and restore from a recent backup to recover older messages. Keep WhatsApp updated to the latest version when search behaves inconsistently or misses items, because fixes often improve indexing. For large chats, allow a few seconds for results to appear while WhatsApp scans message history and media. If search still fails, restart the app and retry the search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.